Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be an accessory video. So basically a lot of people have been asking me regarding PUBG accessories. So this is one of the accessories that I recently purchased. Now from the China market, this was for around, I think around 100 rupees, 150, that's it. So it's very cheap. Now this is basically the trigger. Now there's nothing in English over here so that I can read it out to you. So let's just open it up. It's simple, plain and simple. It's a small plastic box with a paper covering on top. So we'll open it up, and then those are the two triggers. Now you do get a 3mm tape over here in case you want to stick it to your phone, but I will not recommend that because the phone will look weird. You'll have to use it for other purpose also. Okay, so these are the two triggers. So how do you actually use it? You have to slide it onto your phone on both the sides, and then on your game itself you have to change the button layout. So instead of the maybe the reload, or maybe the zoom, or maybe the firing button, whatever you want to control, you can just move it over there. So you can just shoot, move, shoot and do everything together. You'll have 4 controls instead of 2 at a time. So that's a good option, but there is one small problem. Now this is not designed for covers. So if you look at it properly, the width is not that much. So in case I want to put it on phones with covers, so now this is a OnePlus with a very thin cover. This is not that big. It will not even get into that. So there's no way that this will fit on your phone with covers. So you'll have to actually remove the covers. So let me just show you that. So I'll have to remove the cover. Okay, so I've removed the cover now. So you'll have to slide it onto your phone like that. Okay, like that, and that's it. So now you can move, focus, do whatever with 2 fingers over here, and with these 2 fingers you can use the firing, or maybe zoom, or maybe reload, or whatever is your preference. You can use it that way. So it is very comfortable like this. I have actually played it for some time. The only problem is with this, because of the camera, it was not going in properly, but with the with the Poco F1 it was much better because the camera placement is different. So with the OnePlus 5T I had a little bit of problem with the camera placement. Let me show you with the Poco. Okay, so let's see how responsive this is. So my Poco is set for double tap, so it will come up. Now let's see if it works with this. Okay, so it's that effective. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see how to actually configure this onto the game itself. Okay, now I'll have to go into settings, go into controls, and over here I'll have to choose customize. Now in customize I'll get the entire layout. So it depends on me, where do I want to put what. So I'll put actually I like firing on the right hand side, so I'll just take this firing over here and keep it there. So I don't want to take this one, I want to keep it there itself. And with this I think what I'll do is zoom. So I'll just take the zoom over here and put it here. So that's it. So I'm going to give these 2 functions to that, and now I'll save it. That's it. Now the layout has been saved. Now I have to make sure whatever place that I'm putting it in, the trigger actually goes there. Now for some people this might be a problem because this is actually taking up a lot of the screen. Okay, so now I have 4 functions available for me. So now I can walk, turn, shoot and focus at the same time. Not focus, sorry, zoom at the same time. So let me just show you an example. Let me just stand now. I'll zoom, shoot, walk, turn. So I have all the 4 controls together if I use a trigger like this. Okay, so I'll not play the game right now. So this is how you can actually use the Trigger. Now this is pretty cheap. These are the cheaper versions, which will be for around 100-150 rupees. There are other ones which I've actually told my reseller to get, which are readily available in India. So those would be a little more expensive, but these are the cheaper versions. You can actually carry it with you. You can put it on any phone, just that this will not fit on covers. Now one more thing is, I don't know why did they give this. They gave this in case it is too loose on your phone. You can put this on the phone, and let me just show you that too. You can put this on your phone and then pull it down, so that will make it tight. On my phones it's of no use, but that option is there in case you have like a super slim phone which is slimmer than this. Then yes, this will come in handy. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.